I'm about to make $100 fixing this phone in about 30 minutes. This is a Motorola 5G. The phone came out about 2 years ago. So I'm going to be able to teach you how to fix this type of phone and other phones in our class in our Philadelphia CellBotics location. Listen, it's a new year. You're looking for a new opportunity. Trust me, I can teach you everything I know that will help you start making money quickly. With this particular phone, the customer came in. We were able to do an intake process to see what was wrong with it. We'll teach you about that in class as well. Once we identified exactly what was wrong with the phone, we were able to determine that they were going to need a new screen to make this phone look new again. So I was able to check with our suppliers, which this particular part was only $23, and we're charging the customer about $129. So that's $100 we're going to make with just this one repair. Go to cellbotics.com to learn more about our up and coming classes. Join me for the next one. I can teach you this and so much more.